In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Proton Mail desktop and mobile apps. Proton Mail offers official apps for desktop and mobile, and using the dedicated app instead of a browser can give you a cleaner, more secure experience. It can also improve performance, support offline search, and help reduce memory usage. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through downloading, installing, and signing in on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iPhone or iPad. To begin on Windows or Mac OS, open your web browser and go directly to proton.me/mail/download or protonapps.com. Once you're there, scroll until you find the desktop app section, then click the download button for your operating system. It's important to download only from Proton's official websites, since third-party software sites can sometimes host modified or unsafe files. If you're on Windows, open your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file. If a security prompt appears asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes, click Yes. The installer will then copy the necessary files to your computer. If you're on Mac OS, open the downloaded disk image file. When the installation window appears, drag the Proton Mail icon into your Applications folder. That completes the install on Mac. Next, launch Proton Mail from the Start menu on Windows or the Applications folder on Mac. Enter your email or username, type your password, and click Sign In. If you use two-factor authentication, enter the current 6-digit code from your Authenticator app to finish logging in. For Linux, start by visiting protonapps.com in your browser. In the Linux section, download the correct package for your system. Choose the .daba file if you use Ubuntu or Debian, or the .rpm file if you use Fedora or a similar distribution. Then open a terminal, usually with Control, Alt, and T, and move to your Downloads folder. From there, run the install command that matches your system. Use the apt command for Debian or Ubuntu, or the dnf command for Fedora or RHL. When prompted, enter your sudo password to authorize the installation. Once it finishes, you should be able to find Proton Mail in your Applications menu. On mobile, open the App Store on iPhone or iPad or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for Proton Mail and make sure the app is published by Proton AG. Tap Get or Install, then wait for the download to complete. After installation on any device, open the app and sign in, including your two-factor code if required. Then go into Settings, find Security and Privacy or Account and Security, and open active sessions. Confirm that your new device appears correctly. Finally, send yourself a quick test message and make sure it arrives in your inbox. That's how you confirm Proton Mail is installed, secure, and ready to use.